Hey there. Let me ask you something real quick. Are you done wasting time on tools that promise leads but deliver nothing? I was too. Until I found this. Most people are stuck trying to generate traffic manually, juggling 5 different tools and still wondering why sales aren't coming in. That's exactly why I started using LeadHero, an all-in-one, AI-powered marketing suite that actually does the heavy lifting. With LeadHero, you get traffic automation, email marketing, AI, lead generation, CRM all under one roof. It's not just a tool, it's a complete system designed to help you grow fast even if you're starting from scratch. And to make this a total no-brainer, I've stacked up an exclusive bonus vault worth over $497. You'll get DFY Traffic Scripts, secret lead magnet templates, a conversion funnel bundle, top niches and keywords cheat sheet, and my done-for-you campaign blueprint. All free just for trying LeadHero using the button below. So don't wait. Click the button now, activate your LeadHero account, and I'll instantly send you the entire bonus vault. Let's make your first or next 1,000 online, together. I'm not here to hype things up, I'm here to show you what's already working. Try LeadHero. Get your bonuses. And see for yourself. Hit the button now, I'll see you on the inside.